sir.
Good afternoon. So in this class we are going to discuss about a design thinking based lecture on IoT operated obstacle detection system, right? So with that huge rise in the usage of automotive vehicle in the road, there is a huge possibility of accident, right? Unnecessary, unavoidable accident every day it is occurring. So by means of implementing latest technology and innovation, we can minimize the quantity of accident, right? Everyday accident we can minimize up to some level. So for that purpose, we are prepared this project for to implementing those to implement the system in the real world application and to avoid the unnecessary road accident, right? So this is a system using a number of sensors, multiple sensors, each sensor performing some individual operations by means of detecting there is an obstacle we are facing. By means of this ultrasonic sensor we can detect what is the obstacle, and by means of processing the kind of obstacle we are having, and by means of detecting these things, and we can we can control, yes, we can control the ignition, and by means of ignition we can stop the vehicle. So that is the purpose of this vehicle, and we will discuss one by one.
So there are more components in this car, sir. For example, ultrasonic sensor, and this ultrasonic sensor was connected to one Arduino Nano, sir. This Arduino Nano is act as an brain of this component, sir. And it is this red color board is an driver modulo board, sir. It controls the motor control, sir, and it is a battery holder switches, sir. And these four tires were connected with an servo motor, sir. This servo motor was that is all the collections were connected to this brain, sir.
Right. So yes, like our coming said, so in this system we have a number of components, right? So like the ultrasonic sensor and the servo motor. So these servo motors are controlling the rotational direction of each wheel, right? So each wheel have connected by means of servo motor. So it's a very important to control the direction. So very much important, and by means of servo motor we can control the direction rotation of these wheels, and by using Arduino board. So this, as like said, this is the mother of the entire system. We can control the entire operations, and each operation and the component is controlled by means of the Arduino board, and just like power system we are having, and each component performing some purpose and operation.
Yes, sir. At first, sir, if any obstacle before the car, sir, the ultrasonic sensor measures and the vehicle will stop, sir. We have heard many news about the accidents, sir. Many people lost their life during the accidents, sir. And our main aim is to reduce accidents in the road accidents, and it is our main aim, sir.
So, right, so there is some practical explanation. If we see there is some obstacle, suddenly it is coming to this side, what will happen? If this is take it as consider this is the obstacle. So this is ultrasonic sensor. Yes, suddenly we are having the obstacle. And what is the next things will happen?
This is an ultrasonic sensor, sir, SR04. It will sense up to limited meters, up to 100 to 200 meters, sir. It will sense the obstacle and it goes to the main circuit and the vehicle will be stopped.
So how the vehicle will stop?
By controlling the brakes.
Yes, so by means of and then ignition also plays a major role, right?
Ignition will cut off, sir.
Yes, by means of cut offing the ignition, automatically the vehicle will stop.
Sir, by means of cutting the power source giving to the being received by the DC motor is the battery we are using here, which is a DC supply. This power supply is controlled by the chip right here. This will automatically cut off the power supply between the battery and the DC motor when the sensor detects some objects. It automatically cut off the power supply to the servo motors.
So what are the different types of sensors are used in our automatic vehicle?
The level 2 ADAS, level 1 ADAS, and these are the practically we are using a level 2 ADAS, sir, and it is a normal type sensor for normal purpose, sir. And level 2 ADAS is it's an advanced purpose.
Said that level 2 ADAS are used in many luxury brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz for the lane changing purposes like auto co-piloting used in modern flights. It automatically changes the lanes traveling in a highway, which restricts more, which can easily used for avoid many road accidents.
Now, Indian brands like Tata Motors and Mahindra others are also using the level 2 ADAS in their cars.
So like we have a different latest technology like ADAS and autonomous vehicle. So Tesla have implemented technologies as well as the awareness about the road, the traffic rules and regulations. With that we can control, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.